I haven't looked yet, so you are seeing with me what's in here. I hope you can see this, because I can't really see what's going on in the camera lens. But I've been gifted this beautiful box of what I'm told is some 1930s children's clothes, gifted from a lovely lady called Pat, who I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Pat. That's such, I don't know what to say. Just thank you so much. Let's have a look, shall we? So I haven't looked yet, so you are seeing with me what's in here for the first time. My God, it's beautifully packaged for a start. Look at this. Oh, so sweet. Oh gosh, can you see? I hope you can see. Look at that. This is silk with, I hope you can see that silk with lace. Oh, look, a tiny little repair. Isn't that adorable? Oh, that's so sweet. There's that. And oh, look at those little booty socks. Oh, there's two pairs. Oh my gosh. So she said she was moving house and she could no longer keep them. Down there for now. What's this one? Oh, that's another one. Look at the lace. It's beautiful. And the little pin tucks. Aren't they just adorable? Gosh, thank you so much, Pat. Oh, oh, I think that one's my favourite. Is that the back? That'll be the back, won't it? Do you think? That's my arm in the way. Is that the front? Well, that's very decorated. No, so I'd say that was the front, actually. There we are. Isn't that lovely? Oh gosh. They're so, oh my gosh, look at the little sleeves. Look at all that hand stitching. Can you see? Am I doing this in the right? Can you see all that hand stitching? That's incredible. That's lovely. And that's a little, I don't think this one's so old. This is like a modern fabric. But it's a little onesie, what are they called? Are they called romper suits? I don't really know. I don't have children. But it's got little bunnies embroidered on it. And that's a lace. That's not handmade. That's yeah, it's polyester. It's a little baby Dewberry. That's a technical word. Oh gosh, what's in here? Oh. dear. Oh, thank you. Oh. Look at those with a little bobble on. Oh. And these are like little ballet slippers. With a little tie on them. And then, can you see that? Look at that. Oh, cute. And that's another little polyester. It's like a little doll's dress, that one. It's so small. Of course, the light's so bright. I bet loads of this is burning out because the light is too bright. Look, it almost stands up on its own. Oh my gosh, there's loads. I thought, wow. What's this? Oh my gosh, that's like it's like a christening gown. It's in a very, yes, it must be a christening gown, but it's very slightly yellowed there. I don't know if that's, it's like a, oh my gosh, it's almost silver. It's kind of very shiny. So again, that's another polyester number. Blimey. Gosh, so beautifully packaged. That's lavender. Look at that silk. Look how beautiful silk. That's gorgeous. Oh, that's cute. That's like a little pink gingham almost. But it's oh gosh, what do you call it when it's, I've forgotten. And it's kind of textured. Gosh, what's that called? Oh, I'm having oh, and a little blanket as well. Oh, what's this? Oh gosh, I've got some pictures. Oh my gosh. And well, she's given me her address. It says, oh gosh, I don't need to see that. So she's given me a little note. And oh look, that must be, is that the little gingham dress? Not sure, 1943. No, I don't think so, because that's more of a modern fabric. And that one, 1939. So she says, oh, there's another one. Can you see that? 1944. Dear Carol, here are the children's garments I promised you. The oldest ones are right at the bottom. I've taken the liberty of gifting you one or two extra dresses. Oh, you're so kind. These are others I've made. Oh, she's made them. The christening dress was made in 1984 for my own child. The pink nylon. Oh, it's a doll's dress. Thought it was small. Is interesting. My mother managed to obtain some early seersucker. That's what I couldn't think. Seersucker nylon fabric. from America, I believe, which she made into the dress. I'm wearing in the photo aged 4. Many years later, I salvaged the fabric and turned it into the pink doll's dress enclosed. Ah, so that is the fabric there, and then she made it into the doll's dress. Oh my gosh, that's so good. I thought its history would interest you. Material was very difficult to obtain in and after the war years, and we saved every scrap. I well remember rag rugs made from all kinds of thick, colourful pieces of cloth. They were attractive and wore very well. The other photos show me in a satin dress. That's that one, isn't it? And the baby sitting down is my sister, wearing one of the handmade garments enclosed. It's a poor photo, but it gives an idea. I do hope you are happy with these little clothes and will love them as I have. Very best wishes to you and your interesting business. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, what a lovely lady. Thank you so much. Oh gosh, I love that. Oh, that's so sweet. All these lovely little things. Well, thank you, Pat. Look at that, they're beautiful. Oh, look at the little socks and the boots and everything. They're gorgeous, aren't they? Just adorable. Thank you so much.